Meaning of disclosure.
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 Disclosure. Disclosure refers to the act of revealing or making information public that was previously unknown or secret. It can involve disclosing information about oneself, such as personal details or past experiences, or it can refer to the disclosure of information by organizations or individuals, such as financial, legal, or confidential data. The result of disclosure can vary depending on the situation and context, but it often involves increased transparency and accountability, as well as potential consequences for those involved in the disclosure. It can also lead to greater trust or mistrust, depending on the circumstances.